Good day, everyone. So, today we're going to discuss the characteristics of living matter. But before that, let's first know the learning objectives of these topics or these lessons. So, these are the learning objectives. So, at the end of this presentation, you should be able to define living matter, identify the 8 characteristics of living matter, and explain each characteristic in simple terms. So, what is living matter? Living matter includes all living organisms such as humans, animals, plants, fungi, and bacteria. Although they are different, they all share the same characteristic that make them alive. It means lahat ng may buhay, yon ay masatawag na living matter. Then, discuss natin one by one ang 8 characteristics of living matter. The first one is, living things have cells. So, cells are the basic unit of life. Every living organism is made of one or more cells. Some organisms, like bacteria, have only one cells and are called unicellular. Humans, animals, and plants have many cells, so they are called multicellular. Without cells, life cannot exist. Ibig sabihin, kung wala ngang cells, walang life na mag-i-exist o walang life na mabubuhay. The second one is living things can reproduce. So, reproduction means producing new organisms. Human reproduce by having babies, plants produce seeds, and bacteria divided into 2 cells allows every species to continue existing. So, napapaisip ba kayo bakit ang daming namamatay pero pero hindi nauubos ang tao sa mundo? It is because of reproduction. The third one is, living things are based on a genetic code. So every living things has its own DNA, which is like an instruction manual. DNA tells our cells how to grow, develop, and function. It also carries inherited traits such as eye color, hair color, and blood type from parents to their children. The fourth one, living things grow and develop. Growth means becoming bigger, while development means become more mature. So, here's a example. For example is, a baby grows into a child, then a teenager, and finally an adult. Then, the second example are, plants also grow from tiny seeds into large trees. The fifth one is, living things perform metabolism. So, metabolism is also the chemical reactions happening inside the body. When we eat food, our body breaks it down into nutrients and converts it into energy. This energy helps us to move, breathe, study, repair damaged cells, and perform daily activities. So, ang metabolism natin is yung nagbe-break ng mga foods na kinakain natin na nagko-convert sa energy para yung katawan natin is hindi agad mapagod. The sixth one is, living things respond to stimuli. A stimulus is any change in the environment. So, for example, when you touch something hot, you quickly pull your hand away, right? The next one is, plants also respond by growing towards sunlight. Responding to stimuli helps living things survive. Next is, living things maintain homeostasis. So, homeostasis means keeping the body's internal environment stable. So, when it's hot, we sweat. When it's cold, we shiver. This balance help our body function properly. Sabihin, if yung init ng katawan natin para mailabas siya at hindi ma-maintain dun sa loob ng katawan natin, ang body natin ay gumagawa ng paraan, nagsisweat siya para hindi tayo ma-heat stroke or any kind of heat. Then the last one is living things change over times. So, living organisms change over time through adaptation and evolution. So, for example, cacti store water to survive in the desert, while polar bears have thick fur to stay warm. These changes helps organisms survive in different environments. So that's the 8 characteristics of living matter. We considered the living matter as living matter if it has a cells, can reproduce, it has DNA or genetic code, it grow and develop, it perform metabolism, it respond to stimuli, it maintain homeostasis, and it change over time. So that's all. Thank you.